Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Freebie Flow. I've talked about them before and I am still just as obsessed with it as when I first signed up. These are all of the Amazon packages I got sent for free this week from using Freebie Flow. If you aren't familiar, Freebie Flow is an AI software that looks for Amazon coupon codes that makes items free or close to free and automatically orders them to your door. You don't have to do anything, you just sit back and let the software find all of the deals for you. First up, I got sent this wireless charger that's like a clock and a lamp, and it charges your Apple Watch and your iPhone at the same time. This would make for a great gift for a birthday or Christmas. I also got sent these acne patches that are normally $10 on Amazon, and I got sent this set of birthday tablecloths. I also got sent this workout band set that I was actually thinking about buying anyways, a wire dish rag set, you can never have enough of those, and these cream throw pillow covers, and I actually have throw pillows, these will fit, and it would be really cool just to be able to swap them out and go for a different look. I also got a set of string lights I'm going to be putting up on my porch, and the best thing I received this week was a 3-inch cooling memory foam mattress topper that sells for $80 normally on Amazon that I received for free. Items like this I will resell if I don't have use for them to make some extra side money. Each month I actually end up making money from my Freebie Flow subscription from reselling some of the stuff I get on Facebook Marketplace. Signing up for Freebie Flow is super quick and easy. Once you sign up for an account, you can just go ahead and subscribe to their cheapest plan, which ends up being just $39 with code KAYLA10. Then you link your Amazon Prime account, which takes just a couple minutes, enabling two-factor authentication on Amazon and linking it to Freebie Flow's website. And after that, you're done, your Amazon is linked, and you'll start receiving freebies to your door, and you can keep track of everything you're getting sent on the dashboard. I personally have my settings set to just receive freebies, things that end up costing $0, which is 100% savings, but you can also set yours up to have a certain price limit or a certain savings percentage. Make sure you sign up for Freebie Flow with the link in the description box down below or the pinned comment and use code KAYLA10 to save $10 on your first month and start receiving freebies like these right to your door. I'm about to head in store, but I did want to mention that it is the second week of the CVS sales ad. So all of the same deals as last week, all the same ECB deals are going on this week. It's all the way through this Saturday, April 13th. But keep in mind that on Sunday, which is the day today that I'm filming, all of the ECB deals did reset. So if you did them last week, you can do them again this week. But of course, your digital coupons, if you use them, they're gone. If they're expired, they're gone. So unfortunately, you can't just repeat the deals exactly as they were this week, but we did get a couple new coupons and we got a couple of new Ibotta rebates that are going to make for some different deals than last week. So I'm going to highlight those this week, and then at the end of the video go over all of like the same deals that we have going on as last week if you guys didn't already use your digital coupons. So with all that being said, let's get in store. Easter clearance has hit 50% off, so you can check that out and see if there's anything that you have your eye on to get for either decorations or for next year. It may or may not hit 75%. It seemed like Valentine's never hit 75% this year. Neutrogena Acne is spend $20, get back a $10 extra buck. So I'm going to be grabbing one of the clear pore toners and then one of these oil-free acne wash cleansers at $11.79. The two of them together should total $20.38. So I'm above the 20 to get back the $10 extra buck. And we have a $4 digital coupon on Acne Care plus a 5 off 20 Neutrogena CRT. You should pay $11.38, earn back your $10 extra buck, making your final cost $138 for both. Maybelline is spend $15, get back a $5 extra buck this week, and I really want one of these Falsies mascaras for $10.49, so I'm going to grab that plus a Baby Lips at $4.79. I'm going to use a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT, a $4 instant CRT on Maybelline that everyone got, plus we got a brand new $2 digital coupon, so I should be left to pay $6.28, earning back my $5 extra buck, makes the two items just $1.28 for both. EcoTools and Real Techniques products are spend $15, get back a $10 extra buck. So that's an awesome deal to get stuff for Christmas or birthdays. These are really nice sets. Like this brush set from EcoTools is $14.99. So that would be the 98% roll to $15. You'd pay $14.99. You can use extra bucks, get back your $10 extra buck, would make it just $4.99. Plus you can use any percent off CRTs you have. Dove deodorant is buy one, get one 50% off, and buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So one way you could do this deal is grab one of these Vitamin Care deodorants. At my store, they're priced super high at $13.99, and then one of the whole body deodorants at $13.99. The two items with the BOGO 50% would total $20.98. We have a $5 digital coupon for the deodorant and a $4 for the whole body deodorant. So you'd be left to pay $11.98, earning back your $3 extra buck. Plus then you can submit to Ibotta for $5 back on the Vitamin Care deodorant, making your final cost for both just $3.98 for both of them. And if your store has lower prices than mine, it would be even cheaper for you. Check out the clearance section. It's usually an end cap over by the pharmacy. I found these CVS brand AA batteries, the 4 count, for just $1.49 on clearance, which I thought was a pretty good deal, so I'm going to pick both of these up. There were some other things too, like this 3 count of chapstick that was ringing up for 75% off on clearance for just $1 and some change, so again, definitely check out this end cap. See if your store still has these 36 count Playtex Sport tampons in stock. They are on clearance and they may be as low as like $2 and some change at your store depending on what percent off they are, so definitely worth doing, no coupons required. I noticed a lot of the GSQ by Glam Squad items and hair tools are 90% off, so definitely check it out. This mirror was on clearance and in stock at my store for just $1 and some change. See if you got a $5 fragrance CRT sent to your CVS email list. One of my accounts did, and that would make these perfect scents a really, really good deal. I love the Flower Bomb perfume by Viktor and Rolf, and they even have a dupe for it. These are buy one, get one free, and buy 2, get back a $2 extra bucks. You can grab 2 of them. With the buy one, get one free sale, it'd be $12.49 for 2, and after that $5 fragrance CRT, you'd pay $7.49, earning back your $2 extra buck, making it $5.49 for both. Alternatively, you could also grab one of the cheaper fragrance sprays. They're priced like $7 to $8 and use that $5 CRT, and that would be really cheap too. These more expensive adult Crest toothpaste are $8.99 and buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck. And then we also have the cheaper Crest toothpaste that are buy 3, get back a $5 extra buck, and they're on sale for $3.99 each. So you could grab 1 of the gum and 1 of the whitening Crest more expensive adult toothpaste, and then 3 of the regular toothpaste on sale for $3.99 each. Those 5 items would total $29.95, and you can use a 4 off 20 Crest CRT. And then we have $4 digitals for each of the more expensive Crest toothpaste for the whitening brilliance and the gums, that'll take off $8. And then for the cheaper Crest toothpaste, we have a 5 off 3 digital that should double dip with a $1 off 1 Crest toothpaste digital, and you should be left to pay $11.95, earning back a total of $10 in extra bucks. We'll make all 5 toothpaste, including 2 more expensive Crest toothpaste, just $1.95. If you do have any issues with all the coupons coming off together, make sure that you have your cashier scan the 2 more expensive Crest toothpaste first, have them total it out so those $4 digitals come off, and then add in the cheaper Crest toothpaste, and you should have no issues with the proper digital coupons coming off and attaching. If you didn't use your 10 off 2 Nexus or Tresemme digital coupon last week, you can still grab the Nexus Pure and Clean travel size shampoos or conditioners. At my store, they're $5.99 each. Also attaching to that digital coupon is the Humectress conditioner. After that 10 off 2 comes off, you'd end up paying just 99 cents each for 2 of them. Again, make sure you're only grabbing the white bottles because the red color ones are not attaching to the digital. If you don't want to do the travel size Nexus deal, you can also grab 2 of these Tresemme Extra Hold hairsprays that are $5.99 each. And after that 10 off 2 digital coupon for the Nexus or the Tresemme, it's going to make them just 99 cents each. If you didn't already use your Nivea body wash digitals, we still have this deal going on for buy 2, get back a $7 extra buck on Nivea men's and women's body wash. You could grab 2 of the men's totaling $13.98, and we have a 5 off 2 digital as well as a $3 off 1 digital. So you'd be left to pay $5.98 with those 2 digitals double dipping and coming off. After the $7 extra buck, it's a $1.02 moneymaker. Or you could also grab the women's. They are a little bit more expensive though. They're $8.29 at my store. Grab 2 of them totaling $16.58, and after the 5 off 2 and $3 off 1, both coming off, you'd pay $8.58, earning back your $7 extra buck, would make it just $1.58 for both. Soft soap or buy 2, get back a $4 extra bucks. You can grab 2 of them at $6.59 and use a 5 off 2 digital. You'd pay $8.18, earn back your $4 extra buck, making your final cost just $4.18 for both, or $2.09 each. We have a spend 30 get a $10 extra buck deal this week, and the Nexus travel size are actually working in that spend 30 get 10. So it's going to be a really, really great scenario this week since we have that high value 10 off 2 digital. You can grab 1 Tide detergent on sale for $12.99, 2 of the Aussie, at my store these are $5.49, and they're buy 1 get 1 40% off, and then 2 of the Nexus travel size at my store they're at $5.99. These 5 items total $33.75. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide, a 3 off 2 for the Aussie, and then a $10 off 2 for the Nexus. So you'd be left to pay $17.75, earning back your $10 extra buck would make it just $7.75 for all 5 items. We got a $5 digital coupon last week on L'Oreal facial care, and it attaches to all items, including the $7 items, so you can grab any one of these for super cheap. Joa is spend 12, get back an $8 extra buck this week. So I showed this deal last week. You can grab one of my favorite items from them, the setting spray. It's $12.99, and then you can stack together whatever percent off CRTs you have. Again, this week I have two 20% off and a 10%. That would leave you to pay like $8, and you'd earn back your $8 extra buck, which is amazing. Just remember, with percent off CRTs, they come off after all their coupons, including extra bucks. So you wouldn't want to use any extra bucks to pay on this deal. The Nature Valley bars are again on sale this week for just $1.99 each, but we do have two digital coupons now. Last week we only had one, so you'd total $3.98 for both, and with two 50-cent off two digitals coming off, you would be left to pay just $2.98, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on two of these, making your final cost just $1.98 for both, or 99 cents each. And if you guys don't already have Ibotta, it's linked in the description box down below to get a $5 bonus when you sign up. Kellogg's cereal are on sale for $1.99 each this week, so you can grab two of them totaling $3.98. And if you have this $1.50 off two digital, you would pay just $2.48 for two boxes, which is a great deal. You guys, I really did not go hard at CVS at all this week. I did two transactions. I did one transaction with just the Neutrogena facial care, the acne facial care, and then I did one that looked like this, including the Maybelline deal and then those clearance batteries that I found. So this receipt should summarize all the deals I did this week. For the Neutrogena, the $4 digital came off and the 5 off 20 CRT came off. For the Maybelline, my $2 digital, my 3 off 15, and my $4 instant CRT came off. And then the batteries were $1.49 each. So I paid out $20 total, $17 in extra bucks and $3 on my card. Got back $15 in extra bucks, 10 for spending 20 on the Neutrogena acne, and 5 for spending 15 on the Maybelline. So this transaction was just a cost of $5, but $3 of that was the batteries. So basically the Neutrogena and the Maybelline were $2, which I think is a really good deal. I decided to basically just do the Neutrogena because it resells really well for me on eBay. And then I really love that Maybelline Falsies mascara and I needed a new one. So this was just a really small but really good haul for me personally. If you did not go couponing last week though, you'll have tons of deals to do this week, and there's a bunch of new rebates too. So honestly, this week is still a good week to go. I didn't personally know about the Neutrogena deal last week, so once I heard about it from couponing with Star, I was like, I'm definitely going to do that next week. So I hope you guys still enjoyed this week's CVS video. Do not forget to check out Freebie Flow in the description box down below and in the pinned comment, and I will catch you guys in the next one.